Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your job experience on Glassdoor. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on the right icon at the top of the screen, the last option, and then you can contribute in 4 ways. You can add a review, add salary, interview, and photo. First, add review. You have to search for your company. Let's say Tesla. And first of all, you have to rate the company from 1 star, which is very dissatisfied, to very satisfied. After that, you have to give some information about your job, like your job title, your job type, and so on. And after that, you have to give some pros, some cons, and some advice. And after that, you can submit your review of your company that you have been working at. After that, the salary. Here as well, you have to type in your company's name. I mean that company where you have been working or you are working currently. Okay, so you can enter your base pay, which can be yearly, hourly, or monthly in USD, and you can give your additional income information. If you have additional income, click on the yes, and you can see that you can fill in the exact amount of money, and if that bonus or additional income was per year or per month. So here you can see some subcategories. After that, you have to enter your job title, your location, current or former job, employment status, and years of experience. And it's optional if you want to give your gender, I mean to specify your gender. And if you are all done, if you are done, click on the submit button at the top of the screen. All right, after that, there is the review. Here as well, type in the company's name. And then you can rate the overall experience. Was it positive, neutral, or negative? So what were you interviewing for? You have to give your job title or position. You have to type in you have to type in some information about the hiring and interview process. After that, you can add interview questions, and then interview outcome. Did you get an offer? Yes, and I accepted. Yes, but declined, or no offer. And when you are all done, then click on the submit button at the top of the screen. Alright, and the last one is add photo. You can add photo from your gallery, and this is the ways you can contribute to, on Glassdoor. And these reviews help other people to get information about that company. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.